Hello, my dear student. Hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. Myself, Monica Dahiya. I am your physics teacher. Today, we will do the revision of chapter motion. To see this video, you have to go to school website and see the link there. And moreover, let's start it. Today we will do the velocity time graph, as already you have done velocity time graph. So we will combine all those graphs in one question and then we will do revision. So first question related to revision is velocity time graph. So let's see this question. Velocity time graph for the motion of a body is shown below like this. Answer the following question using this graph. You have to give this answer. First is which part of the graph shows accelerated motion? Also calculate the acceleration. This is your first question. Second question is calculate the distance traveled by the body in first 4 seconds of the journey. So this is your velocity time graph. Velocity along y-axis, time along x-axis. As you can see the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is given. Here it is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So this is the time given and here is the velocity given. And as you are watching, the body is it is a straight line. So the body is increasing its velocity in equal interval of time. Here velocity is constant and in this region velocity is retarding. So we will do the solution using this. So the first question is which part of the graph shows acceleration? Acceleration means rate of change of velocity and it should increase in equal amounts. So which region shows the increase in velocity? So this OA region. So here OA portion shows the uniform accelerated motion. Why it is accelerated motion? Because velocity is increases with the time. When you will check it with the graph, you will find key velocity is increases by equal amounts in equal interval of time. So from graph, what is the initial velocity? 0 meter per second. And what is the final velocity? Draw a dotted line, you will check it. The final velocity at A point is 4 meter per second. In how much duration? So draw again a vertical line and then check it where it is joined. So it joins to 4 seconds. So what is that time? 4 seconds. And what is the final velocity? 4 meter per second and time is 4 seconds. So what is the acceleration? V minus u by t, rate of change of velocity. So final velocity minus initial upon time, 4 minus 0 by 4. We would get it 1 meter per second square. Now second part is we have to calculate the distance. So let's do distance now. So let's do now second part. Calculate the distance traveled by the body in the first 4 seconds of the journey. So first 4 seconds of the journey is this one. We have joined it to this A point. So as you have already done, distance traveled by the body in VT graph is calculated by area under the figure. So we have joined it with this and what we have got a figure OAD. This is a triangle. We have labeled this point as a D point, 4 seconds. So what is this? A distance traveled is calculated by area under OA portion because 4 seconds is still here only. So what is this? This is a triangle or right angle triangle. What is the formula? Half into base into height. So what is the base here? 0 to 4. So OD, that is 4 seconds. And what is that height? So that is AD. AD is equal to 0 to this 4 meter per second. So by this when we have put the values, so cancel out. So what we have got? 8 meter. So means using this graph we have calculated distance covered also. Similarly, the other questions can be asked to you. From this graph, find out the reason where acceleration is 0. You know that when there is no change in acceleration, so that time there is no change in velocity, at that time acceleration is 0. So in AB region, there is no change in velocity of the body. So that means in this straight line region, acceleration is always 0. And now first part you have calculated acceleration. Similarly, we can calculate, find out which part of the graph show deaccelerated motion and find out deacceleration or retardation. Retardation means decrease in speed. So BC region shows the decrease in speed. As you can see this at B point, this is the value 4 and when you will at here point, so value becomes 2 or when you will reach till C, so the velocity becomes 0 because time is represented by x-axis. So BC region shows the deacceleration and the same formula you can calculate A is equal to V minus U by T, deacceleration also you can calculate. So like this using the graphs, we can calculate the acceleration, distance and deacceleration of the body. So you have to do practice of this question, and whatever your queries are there, you have to ask on online classes. Try this question now. The graph shown in figure is a velocity time graph for a moving body. You have to see the graph and give the answers which are give the answers of the question which are given below the graph. Find out the velocity with which motion started, velocity of the body at c, find out the reason, like this. Thank you and